Wicked Witch of the West. Who? Who, really? Who is she? I will toss my water on you. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing this pop-in I'm a bad witch, big witch energy, like, yes, she's feeling herself. Okay, so this look is actually inspired by Keely L. I'm gonna put her Instagram page right here. She is a beautiful, beautiful artist, you guys. I took a few of her photos for reference and kind of did an inspired by look. So I'm gonna insert the pics that I was inspired by. So definitely go check her out. She's an amazing, amazing artist. Anyways, you guys, if you want to see how to get this look right here, then go ahead and keep on watching. And I want you to know right now that this scarf serves no purpose because I was trying to cover my little baldness on the side, but it doesn't do that. So I figured let's go ahead and do brows first. So I'm just gonna take this green shade. I love green eyebrows, you guys. I'm so excited about doing green eyebrows right now because I haven't been able to do them in a long time. I had green hair. Loved it, by the way. Probably my favorite hair I've had. Time for some brow gel. Look at my pretty little witch brow, like, So we're just gonna go ahead and do a little magic spell and... So now that we have our brows on, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this very, very orangey shade. We're just gonna go right into it, okay? I'm gonna go in with Ofala from the Juvia's Place Festival palettes. I'm just gonna use the same little brush because I like to keep it real simple. And same palette, gonna go in with the shade Isafa. That berry though. So speaking of things green, like my hair right now, how come nobody told me that Goosebumps was on Netflix? Like, you guys didn't want to tell me that? You didn't want to tell me? Terror Tower, The Mask, all that good stuff, it's all there. My childhood. Phone's probably dirty like usual, but we literally got Camp Nightmare, all kinds of pop-in. Night of the Living Dummy,
aka me.
I'm gonna go in with Muse, and this is the Lime Crime Venus palette. And I know we're using a lot of shadows here, but we want it real smoky, so we're going in with another palette, you guys. This is the After Hours palette from Bad Habit, and I'm gonna take the shade Cabernet, and then I'm gonna go in with Hickey afterwards. For the very center of the lid, I'm going to take the Lime Crime 10-year anniversary palette, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is Rose Burst. What to say about your finger, you guys? Finger is queen. Much freaking better. And time for liner, our little weapon. And when I do a liner look, I like it to be a little smoked out, so I am going to go back in with these two shades right here and just smudge it a tiny bit. Oh, so ain't shit smudging, I guess, because that's on there. Like that ain't smudging, that ain't going nowhere. The powerful liner right there. Powerful liner for a powerful look. The true question is, can she make her liner match? That's the last test of the 7 wonders. And the verdict is, she is not your new supreme. But she tried though, she tried. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna do my face makeup real quick off camera, and then we'll come back and do the blush, do the under eyes, do the lips, all that good stuff. I'll be right back. Okay, so now it is time to do the bottom of the eye. Just doing the same old thing. Whoa, like we really did a lot of steps the first time. God dang, I'm noticing now that I'm having to do it over again. Kind of skipping around here, but I already want to do the blush because I want it to blend all into the eye look. I want to keep it real orangey, so I'm gonna try to do this lightly. Let's hope for the best. Oh, baby.
What are you doing?
Makeup.
Whoa, your makeup so cool.
It is. Thank you, baby. We're gonna go ahead and do the freckles because I just want this face to be a little bit more done before we finish up everything else. I'm gonna make a little freckle concoction with this. This is the CC Beauty Cream Palette. So I'm just gonna mix up something good and delicious. Gonna go in with a little highlighter. Ooh, your witch is thirsty. Again with our store brand water. That's just how we do it in my coven, I guess. Very broken bougie. Before I go any further, I'm going to move on to my lashes, and I can hear that dryer loud and clear, so I'm sure you guys can hear it. I'm sorry if it bothers you. You know, we can just whip up a spell to get our clothes dry. Unfortunately, I wish that was the case. And we got the waterproof mascara on, so just in case this look doesn't come out the way I want it to, I can cry. And no one will ever know. Pretend you didn't see that. Back at it again with the Araceli Beauty Leti lashes. I've been wearing these every time I wear lashes. I get stuck to a pair of lashes and I wear them like 15 times in a row. If they can last that long, then I buy them again because they must be popping. Got the NYX white liner. I'm gonna finally move on to lips. These are both from Time Los Angeles. The first shade I'm gonna use is Corruption and the second one is Crimson. Okay, but that lip color though, that does pop severely. She got that big witch energy. This is how I want to walk out of the house 24/7, every day of the week, every month of the year. And I really, really hope you enjoyed this look. I'm about to go fly off on my broomstick like I'm the baddest witch. That's how I'm feeling right now. If you guys want to see more Halloween looks that I don't post here, go follow my Instagram at AshGhotCakes. And you will be happily surprised because there's a lot of looks that I don't post here, you guys, like a ton. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.